Thank you for joining in today. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so then you can get notifications on all my weekly art lessons. And this time up, I have another mini tutorial here of one of my Skillshare workshops. This particular one is an acrylic painting with poppies. And some of the things that I will go over with you are how to use the palette knife and blend all the colors properly with it in your background, and a few different techniques. And then I will go over how to do the flowers with the palette knife and a little bit of mixing your colors and what to use, and some of the specific supplies that I actually use. So if you are interested in that, I will leave a link in the description. And I also have a profile link there where you can access that and see I have several other classes available if you're interested. And thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like the video and subscribe. Thank you.